Hey, what's up guys? What's up YouTube?
My name is Martin and this is my daddy Rega.
Hey, what's up everyone? So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick unboxing and
A quick review.
of course, yeah, and a little bit review of this new
New release
of Hot Toys, of course, from the movie Star Wars again.
Yes.
Yeah,
From
so
A New Hope.
no, we don't know which episode is this one, but then yeah, this is of course the R2D2
Deluxe version.
Deluxe version.
MMS 511.
Yeah, MMS 511, of course by Hot Toys 1/6 scale
collectible
figure.
Yeah.
So, and then of course at the back you can see right there those warnings and the place, the shops where you can see their shops here in Hong Kong. The deluxe version, so more accessories you can get or you can see.
Yeah,
So
let's
open it. Yeah, this is of course the front, another print
Yes.
cover. This package. Let's show
So he has
to
some
them first.
tools.
Yes, you can see right away.
Yeah, and the hologram.
That's a lot, George.
And
So
the
that's a
hologram.
lot, guys.
Light.
So first up, his accessories, his tools. His tools. It's so many tools, guys.
Yes.
That's a lot, right?
And some, I think, map.
It's like it's not actually tools. It's like actually it's R2D2's arms. Yeah, guys. So you can see right there, guys.
Yes.
And then next
yeah.
up, the
Hologram. of
hologram.
Princess Leia.
Yeah. So
One
there
of
are
them-
two.
Yeah, one of them is the giving something to R2D2.
Not giving it. It's like putting the chip on the
They're putting
face
something onto R2D2.
to record. I think. Yeah, I remember. Yeah.
And then the one standing up
Princess
is
Leia.
the
Yeah.
normal one.
And then next is
The
the
hologram
base.
stand.
Yes, the base of this hologram. Yeah. So I already put the batteries on it,
Yeah.
so I can check if there's a problem. So I can return right away. So you can see right here. I think the small one, the
It's the smallest one.
No. I think that's
Second
not-
smallest.
Yeah, second smallest battery.
And then
And then of course, yeah, here the battery package is here, right here.
the remote.
Yeah, the remote with the logo of Star Wars.
Yes, and then the lamp.
This is the lamp together with some wires and the plug.
Yeah.
You can, of course, last but not the least, the
R2D2.
figure R2D2. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, let's take it out this one. And yeah, so this is the figure. It's I think 80% die-cast. We're not sure. Not sure with how many percent. Or yeah,
50.
that they going. They put the metal parts on this R2D2 figure, right? And let's do a quick setup. So again, we already put the batteries on it. The biggest batteries.
On the head?
Yeah,
You can take this
on
thing
its
off,
head. So
spin it, and then take it out.
and then what's this?
The articulation.
Articulation. So
Really
yeah.
nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's not like. It's not. It's not
So yeah, there you go.
loose. Yes.
Yeah, it's not loose. You can really
It's a
see.
good thing.
And then how to take it out? Of course, let's take it out the front leg.
Just have to press it and then pull it out. Yes.
There you go.
Let's pull it out.
Okay. And then again, as we said earlier, we already put the batteries. So this one, it's really heavy. I'm not sure if this is the one that like made of metal.
Yeah, I think it is the one.
Yeah, because yeah, you can see
Yeah,
Actually, this one, I think this is the
it's
one.
only the like in like this.
Maybe just the top
cover.
of the head. I mean,
No.
maybe just
Just the what you can see
maybe
here.
just this head is the metal.
Yeah, but
But
inside
the
of it,
rest, that like this part, like this body is more
plastic magnet.
plastic. Yeah,
With
so it's
magnet.
like somehow maybe 50% or 30%, like just the
Yeah.
head, and then the rest of the body is plastic.
And then inside of the head looks like
Hard
it's just,
plastic, of course. I mean,
and inside of the head looks like it's just plastic.
yeah. So this is where you put the batteries, right? You can see right here. And let's turn it on.
It's already turned on.
And go. Let's try to put all
The tools.
the tools to its body, to R2D2's body. So let's start from the top of its head. You can press this one, tap, tap and move, slide that up. And you can put the lightsaber right here. And then the second one, top of his head. Pull is like the antenna or like I don't know.
Like signal.
Yeah, some signal. There you go, and then pull it out. There you go.
Maybe the hologram.
Mm-hmm.
The hologram's over here.
Yeah, right. And then, so let's try. Let's try to put this.
The one
With this.
let's see. Lightsaber is put in there, yes.
And then next is the. So this one is here. There you go.
Then try to open the others.
And the others. This one first on the top.
Yes, there is. I'm gonna help.
Move. There you go. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 parts of I know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? And then so let's put it. Let's put those tools.
There's also here.
Yeah. So this one you can actually move. You can rotate right here.
Like this.
There you go.
Look over there.
Yeah.
So it's at the top, yes.
You can also actually move the
Can I?
end part of this tool.
Just not here, but like this. But
So actually, like this one, the hand or the tools or you can actually put whatever you want. So you know, so it's up to you. It's your own like. But I think it depends on like if you watch the movie, maybe you can really follow that the one in the movie. And then this one you can pull. This another tool right here.
Or what? I'm trying to use this. I need.
There you go. And then
Plug.
the plug. So this is the plug from the lamp. There you go.
So and then we can turn on the
Then
lamp.
also this one. Okay, so that's the lamp right there. That lamp also is from part of that movie New Hope.
Like with Yoda.
Yeah, with Yoda. This one. So should be at the bottom. So we just copy the one from the box.
Yeah. But it's different from the manual.
Right there, guys. And of course the hologram. So I think that's it. So that's how it looks like. We forgot. Yeah, this one.
Oh, yeah. Where is this?
This one is really part of the. On this chip. This is the one I'm saying, like holding it and then putting it to its face. Yeah. So somewhere here, where Princess Leia putting it. Alright, so yeah, this is the chip. So I think that's it. So R2D2 looks like if you're going to put all the accessories and then yes, the hologram open, and the lamp is open. Right. Lastly is the sounds. So the light up, that's the light. The sounds. Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
I think it's only 13.
maybe 14.
I think it's 13.
Press mo again.
Yeah, it's only 13.
Yeah, we really don't know, but they didn't really indicate how many like sounds
It's about,
it has.
but I
Maybe
think it's
around like that,
13.
around 13, 14. Yeah. So there you go, guys. Actually, we had the first version of this R2D2 Hot Toys. I think also Daika's version, and but we haven't opened that. So that's how long I've been keeping that first version. I mean,
We're
like
already on the second one.
because I already have the sideshow one.
Oh, yeah.
So again, for now, yeah, we're just gonna enjoy this one first because it has a lot of like accessories. So that's why deluxe version. I think it's pretty much the same to that first version of Hot Toys R2D2.
Difference is this one.
Yeah, maybe again it's more accessories.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think the same metal. The paint job is very nice, very clean. Of course, some effect or weathering effect, some sand effect, I think, or like some dust effect, right? That makes yeah.
Or
But then it's very nice, guys. Very nice, very clean paint.
for mud.
Yeah, I think the likeness to R2D2's movie, I think it's pretty much the same. Yeah. And the color, of course, that color blue, it's very nice. Yeah, I think it's really nice. Really nice. This one's really nice. I mean, like you can really enjoy those accessories. It's really a lot.
And plus the sounds and
And the sounds, yeah, right. That's a lot of sounds. Like, you can just put like display it there somewhere, close to your Star Wars figures, and then
and you can even make an animation of them, like sounds and control it.
Yeah.
Talking to each other.
So yeah, it's very nice, guys. A very nice figure, right, Martin? So yeah, I think that's it, guys. That's all you can get from this R2D2 Deluxe version, of course, from the movie Star Wars, of course, by Hot Toys. Yes.
If you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and leave a like, and don't forget to leave that notification, and don't forget to press that notification bell.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Peace out.
Goodbye.